Hello guys, hello everyone. I'm back with my another YouTube channel on LeetCode. YouTube question and answer solutions on LeetCode problems. Today we are going to solve again easy level of difficulties problems starting from 1378. Then we'll solve 1407 top travelers, and then we'll solve 1484 groups sold products by the date. In the next video I'm going to solve patients with a condition, then customer who visited but did not make any transactions, and finally I will solve bank account summary 2, which is also easy level of difficulties. So before I start, I request you all to please subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed, so that you will be notified for any future videos based on SQL or Excel or Tableau. So let us just start. So in this question we have table employees, ID and name of the employees. Each row of this table contains ID and the name of an employee in the company. Then we have another table called employee uni, where we have ID and unique ID. Unique ID is the primary key for this table. Each row of this table contains the ID and unique ID of an employee in the company. Write a solution to show the unique ID of each user. If a user does not have a unique ID, replace just show null. Return the result table in any order. So we have employees table like this: ID 171193, employee unique table where we have unique ID as 123 and ID as 31190. In the output we want null for Alice and Bob. Why null? Because Alice and Bob are in IDs 1 and 1 and 7, and we don't have ID 1 and 7 in the employee unit table. So what we are going to do, you must have got the idea. Based on the output, we need to do left join on employees table. So let us start. So we need in the output unique ID and name. So I will select unique ID comma name from employees table as E, left join on employee uni table as uni on E dot ID equals to uni dot ID. And the result table in any order. Let us just run this query. Accepted. So we got the output as null 231 for Meyer, Winster and Jonathan. Let me submit this. Correct. Now I'm going to the next problem, which is top travelers. It is easy level of difficulties. Here we have table users with ID and name of the user, writes table with ID, user ID and distance traveled for the user. Data solution report the distance traveled by each user. Return the result table ordered by travel distance in descending order. If two or more users travel the same distance order, then by their name in ascending order. So here we have input users table, rise table. In the output we want like this, travel distance. So let us just write. So we will write select name, since we got name in the output, comma sum of distance. Now if the distance is null, we replace it by 0. Donald doesn't have, Donald's ID is 4. This ID is not in the user ID table, rights table. So we will use if null. If null here, sum of distance, comma 0 as travel distance. Traveled distance from which table we want? Users table, U, left join, rights table R on U dot ID equals to R dot user ID. Group by Let us do group by u dot id. Let us do name. Let's see what happens. And order by travel distance in descending order, comma, name. Order by travel distance in descending order and order by their name in ascending order. Let us see. Let us run this query. Accepted. Now we are going to submit this. So there is a problem. Here we have output in ls. We also want output as li 0. So we will do group by. Let us try group by u.id. Run. Accepted and submit. I think it should be correct now. Accepted. So these two problems we solved. Now last problem we have group sold products by the date. So in this problem we have activities table with sell date and product. Each row of this table contains the product name and the date it was sold in the market. Write a solution to find for each date the number of different products sold and their names. So we will write select sell date, comma, count of distinct product as num sold, comma, products. So here we are seeing basketball, headphone, t-shirt in one line. So here we use string aggregate. Bracket distinct product, comma, order by product as products. Let me bring this to another line. From which table we have? Activities table. Group by 1, order by 1. Return the result of order by sell date. Let us run this query. Accepted. You can see in the output basketball, headphone, t-shirt in one line. So string aggregate is a function which brings all the products in different lines and into the same line. Order by product, basketball B comes first, then H, then T. Again Bible and pencil, B comes first and then P. So accepted. So that's all for today's video. So we have solved 3 problems. In the next video I'm going to solve patients with a condition. Customer who visited but did not make any transactions and bank account summary. Till date, happy learning, enjoy, all the best, and please like my video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.